Welcome back. Time now for notable calls when we take a look at what analysts are doing with their price targets and ratings on high-profile stocks. Today we have a bonus for you. We have a live interview with Dan Ives. He's an analyst who follows this stock, Tesla. He's also global head of tech research at Wedbush. And Dan, you recently raised your price target on Tesla just yesterday, I believe, to $400 per share. Earlier in a throw to break, we incorrectly said it was 300. Your new target is 400 on this stock. Why so?
I mean, look, the Trump administration changes the game. It's a game changer for Tesla in terms of the autonomous vision. I think it's going to accelerate autonomous cybercab 2 to 3 years. The AI story is worth $1 trillion alone. Trump in the White House for Musk, it's a bet for the ages that's going to pay off in trillions.
How important is the fact that Musk seems to be very close to the incoming president these days?
He's going to be right next to him wherever he goes. I mean, ultimately, he's not going to have a cabinet position, but he's going to be a significant seat at the table when it comes to AI, China tariffs, innovation in the U.S., EV tax credits clearly will get pulled. And that's why I think it's actually something where, for big tech, they want Musk to have a seat at the table because he understands AI and the ecosystem as well as anyone. But look, when it comes down, the biggest winner from the Trump trade is Musk and Tesla. It's a champagne moment right now for Tesla investors. We see this on its way to a $2 trillion market cap.
And you say autonomous, the autonomous vehicle project and artificial intelligence, the two, of course, would be related to one another, worth $1 trillion at Tesla. Tell us why.
Yeah, I mean, look, I think I'd argue Tesla's the most undervalued AI play in the market today. Autonomous is really the true vision. That's the goal at the end of the rainbow when it comes to Tesla. Autonomous, I think this could get accelerated. By the end of next year, we could be looking at cybercab potentially on the road. Regulatory now gets thrown out the window. This is going to be a laissez-faire, almost a defanged beltway. And that's bullish, not just for big tech, but especially for Tesla when it comes to autonomous. And I think that's a key part of the value in this name. And that's why the bears, they can see AI and autonomous in their spreadsheets when they're sitting there in their hibernation caves.
You referred to EV subsidies being pulled. That on the surface sounds like a negative for Tesla, but I think where you're going with that is you think Tesla can compete and outcompete in an environment where some players are not being subsidized by the public purse, correct?
That's exact. I mean, you nailed it. It's a negative for the industry, especially the Detroit Big Three, GM, Ford, Stellantis. Bullish for Tesla. No one will match their scale and scope. I'd expect this to get pulled in January. And I also expect more and more when we come Inflation Reduction Act and some of these other initiatives, more of that focus is going to be on AI, which is bullish for Tesla, bullish for big tech. And that's why for big tech investors, it continues to be in the AI party, it's 10 p.m. and this party goes to 4 a.m.
Tell us what Tesla's doing on AI. How clearly has Musk sketched out the AI ambitions of this company?
I think it's about autonomous. I think it's full self-driving. It's robotics, Optimus. That's the future of Tesla. But it goes back to, Paul, in 2007, I've covered tech 25 years. They viewed Apple as a hardware company when they launched iPhone. Now look at it. They said Microsoft wasn't going to cloud player. Look at that today. NVIDIA, AI dismissed in 2022. Now it's going to be a champagne moment and lobster roll moment for Musk and Tesla shareholders.
That's Dan Ives. Dan, thanks for this conversation. He's global head of tech research at